We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Bluetooth Headband. This product is designed as a two-in-one solution for both sleep and sports use, combining wireless Bluetooth headphones with a comfortable headband that also manages hair and sweat. It features Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity and ultra-thin HD stereo speakers, making it suitable for activities such as running, gym workouts, yoga, relaxation, meditation, travel, and sleep. The built-in microphone allows for hands-free calls, adding to its versatility. Users consistently praise the comfort of the headband, which is made from highly elastic and breathable spandex nylon fabric. This material ensures the headband is soft and non-irritating, even for side sleepers who rest their head on a pillow. Many report zero discomfort while wearing it throughout the night, which is a significant advantage over traditional earbuds that can fall out or cause pain when sleeping on the side. The sound quality is generally described as clear and balanced, with rich bass and clear mid-range tones delivered by 32mm composite drivers. While not audiophile grade, the audio is more than adequate for listening to music, white noise, or relaxation sounds to aid sleep. The volume range is sufficient to keep the sound private enough that partners do not notice it, even at higher volumes. Battery life is a highlight, with over 14 hours of continuous playback from a 1-2 hour charge. This extended playtime supports uninterrupted use through the night or during long workouts. The headband also incorporates intelligent battery protection features to optimize performance and extend lifespan. Charging is done via a Type-C cable, and users find the process straightforward. Pairing with devices is reported as quick and reliable thanks to Bluetooth 5.4 technology, with stable connectivity and a typical range of about 10 meters. Controls are button-based and located on the forehead area of the headband, which users find easy to locate and operate even in the dark. The headband's design also helps keep hair and sweat in check during physical activity, making it practical for sports and exercise. However, some users note that the headband is not truly one size fits all. For some, it is a bit loose and tends to slip down during sleep. This issue is often resolved with minor adjustments such as sewing or using hair clips. The product is not water resistant, so it should be kept dry during use. Regarding durability, there are mixed reports. While many users enjoy the comfort and functionality, some have experienced issues with longevity. Several reviewers mentioned that after months of use, one side of the headphones may stop working without any visible damage or wire issues. The manufacturer offers a 1-year warranty and a 30-day no-questions-asked refund policy, but some customers have found it difficult to get timely support or warranty service. Notifications such as Bluetooth connection sounds and low battery alerts can be somewhat loud and may disturb light sleepers if not managed carefully. Despite this, the overall consensus is that the MUSICOZY Bluetooth Sleep Headphones Headband offers excellent value for its price point, typically ranging from $15 to $20 depending on coupons and deals. It is especially praised by those who suffer from noisy sleeping environments or who want a comfortable way to listen to music or white noise while lying down. The headband is also popular among fitness enthusiasts who appreciate its breathability and wireless convenience. In summary, this product stands out for its comfort, sound quality adequate for casual listening, long battery life, and multifunctional design suitable for both sleep and sports. Its main drawbacks are occasional durability concerns and sizing issues for some users. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel and for easy access to purchase or learn more.